Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I reorganized my bathroom and redecorated it. So this bathroom is just been done and the wall is very plain, and I said no, I just need something more fancy. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video as I carry you guys along. So this is a square shaped wood that I have for quite a long time now, and I'm kind of bored of it, so I thought I should just use it for my bathroom. So I decided it's best to reuse this again since the box is still very much okay, and I am going to be painting this box in black. So I'll go ahead and sand it down, and I'm going to be painting it in black, and this is what you see me doing now. So this is the wood that I purchased from B&Q, and I actually bought it so I can use it for the stairs, but I'm just going to be using some of this wood for the bathroom. I'm going to be using this wood for the wall, which I showed you earlier, for paneling, and I've never really done paneling before. This is my first time, and I just hope it turns out well. I've watched tons of video about paneling. I don't really think it's something difficult. Well, we're going to give it a go. So this is the wall that I'm going to be working with, and as you can see, I am getting my wall measured, and I want to make sure that I get the accurate size. I'll go ahead and measure the length and the breadth. Once I have gotten the size that I want, I am going to be applying my wood filler, and this just goes straight to the wall. And to make it stay stronger on the wall, I'm just going to nail it down, and that's it. Next thing I'll do is paint the wood, and as soon as I'm done painting the wood, I am going to wait for the first coat to dry. Once the first coat is dried, I'll apply the second coat. So guys, I've had this storage basket for quite a long time, and guess what guys, I'm not going to be disposing it because it's still very lovely. I'm just going to be painting it, and when I finished painting it into black, it turned out really nice, but I changed it again and I changed the color into silver. I sprayed it into a silver color, which is actually very nice as well. And also this box, I'm going to be applying another coat to it, and yeah, now I am back to the wall. I'm going to be painting my wall, and I'm just going to be taking my time painting the wall all around, guys. I just love how it turned out. It turned out really nice. Also, this is a bathroom mirror. I've had it for a long time as well. Well, not too long, but it's in a black color, and I thought, why not change it into a silver color? And I went ahead and covered the surface with a tape, and then I sprayed this down. So I'm giving this a finer coat. So this is the second day after applying the second coat, and this is what it looks like. Guys, did you see? I'm loving it so far. So I just did from this corner here to here. I also got this light up for my toilet. It lights up. I had it some time ago. I just thought I should use it again. It looks so lovely. I got this at B&M for £10, so I'm going to be using this as part of my decoration as well. And I'm just going to be putting this here, at the side of my bath. Okay? So guys, before installing your adhesive, you need to make sure that the area is properly dried, and that is the first thing I did. I took my time and installed this properly. I think I'm loving it, and this is how it turned out. I really love it. It didn't really take me much time, and I'm loving this color. I think it goes properly. It goes really well with my bathroom. So I bought one pack for £10, and Altogether, I used about 3 packs. So here I am just installing the shower curtain. As you can see, my daughter also joined to help, although she's been very busy because she needs to study for our test, but she took out her time to help me a little bit, which I really appreciate. So this is how everything turned out. Next thing I'm going to be doing is installing this towel ladder. And I love this because it's not even difficult to install. I hate installing stuff, but when it first came, I'm like, oh my God, I don't like to do this. But it was very, very much easier to assemble. Everything went well, and I'm so glad because I don't need to drill the wall, because this is something I don't like doing. I don't like damaging my walls just to put something in, if you get what I mean. So the other ones that I saw, you have to drill the wall to be able to get your towel on, but this is just going to stand. Yeah, there is no stress. It came out really lovely and I love it. Now it is time to assemble all my stuff to the wall, and that is just what I'm doing. I'm just going to assemble everything, put everything in place, and yeah. And this is how everything turned out. Yes, what do you guys think? Leave your comments in the comment section down below. And I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope this give you an hint of how to reorganize your bathroom in case you're looking forward to doing same as mine. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and thumbs up this video, please guys, and share this video. Thank you very much for your great love on this channel. Bye, and thanks for watching.